If you'd like to see how I gave this Dollar Tree wine glass a full transformation and turned it into this lovely embellished Chanel logo glass, keep watching this video.
Hey YouTube! Today in this video, I'm going to be embellishing this wine glass or juice or milk glass, whatever you put in it, it's up to you. And I'm going to add on this little Chanel drip logo. And if you watch my videos, you know that I've done this before, but I liked it so much I want to do another one. I did one with a pink logo with some pink rhinestones. So this logo is actually like a chrome silver color. And I'm going to be using these glass iridescent non-HOTFIX rhinestones. These are a step up from resin. These have a much more sparkly clarity on them, and they just cost slightly a bit more and you get a little bit less as opposed to resin, but they're completely worth it. So I'm going to be using this liquid fusion glue. You can pick this up on Amazon for about 10 to 12 bucks. I already have mine put inside of a precision tip bottle. And then to pick up my rhinestones, I'm going to use this little wax pickup tool, like a wax pencil. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. I cut this out on my Silhouette Cameo, but I will have a link for this if you like to purchase this and make your own glass. I will have a link available for you. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and peel this off the backing sheet and put this on the glass. Now, you want to wipe your glass off with some alcohol or make sure it's nice and clean. I've already done that, so I'm just gonna get right into putting this on the glass. Sometimes chrome vinyl is not as flexible as the regular other vinyl. So a little tip I have, sometimes you can move it a lot better is if you carefully cut it so you can kind of lay it better. Especially if you're working with a very rounded surface, I found that this helps. Okay, so I'm going to just bend it in the middle a little bit. Just kind of look at it. I want it to be directly in the center. Not too high up, not too low, about like right here. I like to press down like that. And then I cut the slits in it to make it as simple as possible to like smooth certain areas, so I don't have any air pockets. So you see how it helps when you cut slits in it? Okay. So you want to just make sure that's nice and firm. Take your scraper or old gift card or whatever you have and just make sure this is all smoothed out. Okay, so once you have that all smoothed out really good, now I'm gonna go ahead and just peel this off of your glass. Peel that off just like that. Okay, so that's down nice and flat. It's very nice. It's like a mirror effect. I really like this. And the size of this is about 2 by 2 inches, approximately. And this glass came from the Dollar Tree. If you like to leave your glass like this, this is also very nice as well. So it's completely optional, but I am going to add some rhinestones on top of this decal to really give it some bling and just step it up to another level. But this looks cute like this as well. Like, this would be a great idea as a gift, like if you got married and you wanted to give your bridesmaids, and if you didn't have a lot of money to give them a nice gift, this would be something that you could do. It's very simple. You see, it didn't take me long at all to put this decal on here. Your bridesmaids will love this. So just think about that as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started adding the glue onto the decal. And I am using SS12 and SS16, which in other words is 3mm and 4mm. I'm going to start with the 4mm. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just, you're gonna use the decal as like an outline. So you're just basically gonna just trace out the outline with rhinestones. You can feel free to use whatever size you'd like to. You can use all one size, or you can use multiple different sizes. So just go ahead and continue to watch me add the rhinestones. Embellishing the decal. I did this one slightly different than I did the other glass, only because I did 2 rows of the SS12, and here I just did 1 row at the top part of the SS16. So there's a different ways you can do this. I kind of do like it better with the SS12, the 3mm, the smaller stones. But you can use a combination of both, however you decide to do so. Now, once again, this is completely optional. You could be finished at this point, but I'm going to do this like I did the last glass before, and I'm going to add a scatter, not in the front area. I'm going to add a scatter of rhinestones throughout this part of the cup. So what I'm going to do, just go ahead and watch me add little dots, adding random dots of glue, small little dots throughout the glass.
Again, this step is completely optional, but I just really like the way it came out the last time I did it, so I'm just going to do it again. Place your glue as closely or as far apart as you like. I just wanted to space mine at least a finger or thumb space apart. And just go ahead and continue to do that. Add your rhinestones wherever you like to do them. I'm only going to do them on the back and the sides, not the front where the Chanel logo is. Here is the final result of this Chanel logo rhinestone embellished glass, and I absolutely love this glass. I did another one, and that one was pink. I'm still kind of leaning towards the pink, but these glass rhinestones, you see how they hit with the purple and the greens, and the clarity is just fantastic. I love this. This is so pretty. Let me know what you guys think. Are you feeling the scatter? Do you not like the scatter? I just love the twinkle with these rhinestones. These glass stones are incredible. And here is the other glass. I did a video on this one as well. Be sure to check that out. I like them both. I really do. I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it on Facebook. And check out my other videos. I'll have a playlist available so you can see other glasses that I customized. I hope you received some type of inspiration. I hope you like to do something for yourself or maybe your bridesmaids as a gift or a birthday gift for someone. And subscribe if you want to. If not, thanks for stopping by. Thanks again. Bye-bye.